Suites at Gurordo. This is the Gurordo Avenue, and that's the Archbishop Avenue going to Ayala, and this is the commercial area of the Suites at Gurordo. These are the commercials, and the entrance of the hotel is there on the west east part, and this is the entrance for the residential lobby is here. Let's go. It's very hot. The lobby. The lobby of the Suites at Gurordo. Residential lobby, because the lobby of the hotel is separated. Are those this IKEA or Cobon? Kenneth Cobon Pre. Those are Kenneth. You have the masterpieces of Kenneth here, and two elevators, and also another elevator to the hotel.